Let's be real. Retirement sounds confusing, stressful, and honestly a little bit scary for most people. It's this huge looming thing in the future that we know we need to prepare for. But where do you even begin? The financial world throws all these complicated terms and concepts at you, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed before you even start. And full of jargon. It's like they're speaking a different language. You're bombarded with acronyms and phrases that seem designed to confuse you, not help you. It's no wonder so many people put off retirement planning. Who wants to wade through all that complexity? You hear 401k, and suddenly you're picturing endless forms and complicated calculations. It feels like something only financial experts can understand. IRA, and you wonder, is that the same as a 401k? Which one should I choose? The options seem endless and equally baffling. Asset allocation, and you're thinking, what even is that and how do I do it? It sounds incredibly complicated and time-consuming. And your eyes glaze over. You feel defeated before you've even started. The sheer volume of information and the complexity of the concepts can be paralyzing. But planning for retirement isn't about deprivation or complexity. It doesn't have to be a painful process filled with restrictions and sacrifices. It's about building your rich life. It's about designing a future where you have the resources to live life on your own terms, to pursue your passions, and to enjoy the fruits of your labor. It's about freedom. The freedom to choose how you spend your time, the freedom to travel, the freedom to explore new hobbies, and the freedom to simply relax and enjoy life. Doing what you want, when you want, whether that's volunteering, spending time with family, pursuing a passion project, or simply relaxing on a beach, without money worries. Imagine waking up each day knowing that your financial needs are taken care of, allowing you to focus on what truly matters to you. The tools, like an IRA, are simply vehicles to help you achieve that freedom. They're not meant to be intimidating or confusing, are actually simple once you cut through the noise. We're going to break down the complexities and show you how easy it can be to take control of your financial future. Forget penny-pinching advice. We're not going to tell you to skip your daily latte or cut coupons. We're going for big wins, the kind of strategic moves that can truly transform your financial future. The moves that actually matter. The ones that will make a real difference in your long-term financial security and allow you to live that rich life you've always dreamed of. An IRA is one of those big wins, a powerful tool that can help you grow your wealth exponentially over time. A special account with massive tax advantages designed to incentivize you to save for your future, to help your money grow faster. These tax advantages can significantly boost your returns over the long term, allowing you to reach your financial goals sooner. This isn't about being a financial genius. You don't need to be an expert in the stock market or understand complex financial instruments. It's about using a simple, automated system that does the heavy lifting for you, to build wealth. A system that allows you to set it and forget it, knowing that your money is working hard for you even while you sleep. The goal isn't just to survive retirement, to scrape by and make ends meet. It's to thrive, to live a retirement filled with joy, purpose, and financial security. The difference between a stressful and an amazing retirement, between worrying about every penny and living life to the fullest, comes down to a few smart decisions you make today. Small, consistent actions taken over time can have a massive impact on your future. Understanding the difference between a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA, and choosing the right one for your individual circumstances, is one of those decisions. It's a seemingly small choice that can have a significant impact on your tax liability and overall wealth accumulation. By the end, you'll know exactly how IRAs work, the benefits they offer, and how to choose the right type of IRA for your needs, and how to put your money to work for your future. You'll have the knowledge and confidence to take control of your retirement planning and build the rich life you deserve. Let's get started and build your rich life. Together we'll simplify the complex world of retirement planning and empower you to create a future filled with financial security and freedom. One automated investment at a time. Let's make your money work for you so you can focus on living your best life both now and in the future. So, what exactly an IRA? It's a question that might seem intimidating at first, shrouded in financial jargon and complex regulations, but fear not, we're here to demystify it. Let's kill the complexity and break it down into its simplest form. Forget the confusing terms for now. An IRA isn't an investment in itself. It's not a stock, a bond, or a mutual fund. It's a special container, a designated account specifically designed for holding your investments. Think of it like a secure vault for your financial future. You put money in, contributing regularly or with occasional lump sums, then use it to buy stocks, investing in companies you believe in, bonds, lending money to governments or corporations or index funds, instantly diversifying your portfolio across a broad market. The magic? What makes an IRA so special? The government gives this container special tax powers, offering significant advantages that can dramatically boost your long-term returns, if you use it for retirement, saving for your future financial security. In a regular brokerage account, a taxable account, taxes chip away at your gains every year, reducing your potential for growth. In an IRA, a retirement account, your money grows and compounds without that drag, accelerating your wealth accumulation. Over decades, with the power of compounding, this difference is huge, creating a substantial gap in your retirement savings, potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars, a life-changing amount of money. An IRA is the government's way of begging you to get rich, incentivizing you to save for your future, and sadly most people ignore it, missing out on a golden opportunity. You can have an IRA, opening one up and contributing regularly, even if you have a 401k at work, supplementing your workplace retirement plan. IRAs give you more control, allowing you to manage your investments directly and more investment choices, offering a wider range of options than many 401k plans. You pick the company, choosing the financial institution that best suits your needs. Vanguard, known for its low-cost index funds. Fidelity, offering a wide range of investment products and services. Schwab, providing comprehensive financial planning and investment tools. And build a simple, automated portfolio, setting it up once and letting it grow over time. An IRA is a tax-advantaged container for your investments that you control, empowering you to take charge of your financial future. Now let's look at the two main types, understanding the differences between Roth and traditional IRAs. The traditional IRA is the classic. You get a tax break today, contribute money, and you can often deduct it from your taxable income, lowering your tax bill now. Your money grows tax-deferred, compounding year after year without annual taxes. The catch? When you retire and withdraw, you pay taxes at your then current rate. Bet your tax rate will be lower in retirement than now. Great for high earners who expect to drop into a lower bracket later. Contribution limits for 2025, $7,000 per year, or $8,000 if you're 50 plus. If you have a retirement plan at work, income limits may affect your deduction, and you must start taking required minimum distributions at age 73. The traditional IRA. Get a tax break now, let your money grow, pay taxes later. Simple, powerful, and perfect for many. Now the Roth IRA, my personal favorite. With a Roth you contribute after-tax money, no upfront deduction. But here's the magic: your money grows 100% tax-free, forever. When you retire you can withdraw every dollar contributions and growth tax-free. Imagine a $1.5 million Roth IRA at 65, you can withdraw it all, and your tax bill is zero. Roth IRAs provide certainty you've already paid your taxes, so future tax hikes don't matter. 2025 contribution limits $7,000 per year, $8,000 if you're 50 plus. There are income limits for direct contributions, but high earners can use the Backdoor Roth IRA workaround. No required minimum distributions for the original owner. Let your money grow as long as you want. The Roth IRA is the ultimate tool for tax-free wealth. Pay taxes now, live like a king later. It's a financial superpower. Let's see how it stacks up against the traditional IRA. Alright, let's get ready for a financial face-off. We're putting the traditional IRA and the Roth IRA in the ring. It's time to see which retirement savings vehicle comes out on top. This is a crucial decision for your financial future, so let's get ready to rumble. We're going to compare these two powerhouses side by side. We'll analyze their key features, benefits, and drawbacks. This is a detailed analysis to help you make the best choice for your individual circumstances. First up, the traditional IRA. With a traditional IRA, you contribute pre-tax dollars. This means the money you put in hasn't been taxed yet. You may even get a tax deduction for your contributions, reducing your taxable income in the present. This can provide immediate tax relief and free up cash flow. However, remember that you'll pay taxes on your withdrawals in retirement. So the money grows tax-deferred, but Uncle Sam will eventually collect his share. Now, let's look at the Roth IRA. With a Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax money. This means you've already paid taxes on the money you're putting in. You don't get a tax deduction for your contributions in the year you make them, so no immediate tax benefit, but the big advantage is that your withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. That's right, zero taxes on your earnings. With a traditional IRA, you get tax-deferred growth. This means your investments grow without being taxed each year. But with a Roth IRA, you get tax-free growth. This means all the earnings and gains in your account are never taxed, ever. Remember, with a traditional IRA, your withdrawals are taxed as ordinary income in retirement. This can impact your overall tax burden. But with a Roth IRA, your withdrawals are completely tax-free, providing you with more predictable income in retirement. For a traditional IRA, there's no income limit to contribute. Anyone can contribute, regardless of their income level. However, your ability to deduct your contributions may be limited or phased out if you're covered by a retirement plan at work, like a 401k. For a Roth IRA, there are income limits for direct contributions. If your income is too high, you can't contribute directly. But don't worry, the Backdoor Roth conversion strategy exists, allowing high-income earners to still get money into a Roth IRA. With a traditional IRA, you must start taking required minimum distributions, RMDs, at age 73. This means you have to start withdrawing money whether you need it or not. But with a Roth IRA, there are no RMDs for the original owner. This gives you more flexibility and control over your retirement savings. So, what's the core trade-off? This is the fundamental question you need to answer. It's a tax break now with a traditional IRA, providing immediate savings, versus tax-free money later with a Roth IRA, offering long-term tax advantages. If you believe tax rates will be higher in the future, a Roth IRA is a smart choice because you lock in today's tax rates, avoiding future tax increases. Roth IRA balances represent your true balances because they're after tax. There's no hidden tax bill waiting for you in retirement. The ultimate choice comes down to this. Do you think your tax rate will be higher now or in retirement? This is the key question to consider. Make an educated guess based on your current financial situation and future expectations. Consider your career trajectory, lifestyle plans, and anticipated income in retirement. Remember, it's not about achieving perfection in your financial planning. It's about making a smart, strategic choice that aligns with your individual goals and circumstances. Let's break down the decision-making process step by step to help you determine which IRA is right for you. Here's how to choose. Traditional IRA. Best if you're in your peak earning years and expect a lower tax bracket in retirement. Example, someone in their 50s, high tax bracket now, lower in retirement, get the deduction today. Roth IRA, best for young people or anyone expecting their income to rise. Pay taxes now at a low rate, enjoy tax-free growth and withdrawals later. For most starting out, Roth is a slam dunk. If you're unsure, Roth's tax-free growth and flexibility are hard to beat. Tax diversification gives you options and peace of mind. When in doubt, go Roth. The Roth IRA's flexibility is a game changer. You can withdraw your original contributions anytime, tax and penalty-free. Great for emergencies. But treat your Roth as a last resort. It's your nest egg. Now, the Backdoor Roth IRA. High earners can't contribute directly, but there's a legal workaround. Contribute to a non-deductible traditional IRA, then convert it to a Roth. Pay tax on any gains, and you're done. Now your money grows tax-free. This strategy is perfectly legal and used by millions. Don't let income limits stop you. Use the Backdoor Roth if you qualify. It takes a few extra minutes a year and can save you a fortune in taxes. The Roth IRA is accessible to everyone with the right strategy. Don't leave this money on the table. Use every tool available to build your rich life. You know the options. Now it's time to act. Opening an IRA is easy. Easier than setting up a social media account. Step 1. Choose a brokerage. Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab are all excellent. Step 2. Fill out the online application. Name, address, social security number, pick Roth or traditional. Step 3. Link your bank account, transfer money, and set up automatic monthly contributions. Invest in a target date index fund. Just pick the year closest to your retirement. That's it. You're an investor. Don't overthink it. The industry wants you to think it's hard so you'll pay for advice. It's not. You can do this yourself. Automate your contributions so you never have to think about it again. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. Take action today. Your future self will thank you. This is the most important financial move you can make. Get started now. Here's the big picture. Understanding taxes is key to building wealth. The Roth versus traditional IRA decision is about when you pay taxes, now or later. For most, especially early in their careers, Roth's tax-free growth is unbeatable. High earners may benefit from the traditional IRA's immediate deduction. The key, you're making an informed choice, not leaving your future to chance. You know the rules, the trade-offs, and how to automate your wealth. Ignore the noise and focus on the big wins, the right IRA, automated contributions, and low-cost funds. Get these right, and you can make mistakes elsewhere and still win big. You've mastered the tax game. You're on the fast track to a rich retirement. Keep it simple and keep moving forward. You now know more about IRAs than most people ever will. The only mistake is waiting. Procrastination kills wealth. Compound interest needs time, so start now. Don't get stuck chasing the perfect plan. Good enough today beats perfect tomorrow. Open your IRA, automate your contributions, even if it's just $50 a month. This is about freedom. Quitting a job you hate, affording amazing experiences, and sleeping well at night. A rich life means being strategic with the big stuff so you can enjoy what you love. Here's your call to action. Before you go to bed tonight, open your IRA. Pick a reputable brokerage, choose Roth or traditional, set up an automatic transfer, and pick a target date index fund. That's it. One small action today changes your financial future forever. You're on the path to true, lasting wealth. Your future self is counting on you. Don't let them down. Your rich life is waiting. Go get it.